Thomas was hard at work when he spotted something on the side of the track. What's that? He wondered. Ooh, it's a treasure map! Marshall and Chase arrived. Do you want to go on a treasure hunt with me? I found a treasure map. Ooh, yes, please, Thomas. So Thomas carefully studied the map. It leads to Mater's barn. Come on then, let's go. So the pups hopped aboard and off they went. Hi guys, what brings you here? We're following a treasure map and it brought us here. Ooh, I see the next part of the map. Can you see it? There it is, on the door. I'll read it. It's a riddle. Count up each and every sheep, and that's the number of the train you seek. Okay, so how many sheep are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sheep. So we need to find the number 4 engine. That's Gordon! Luckily, Gordon wasn't too far away. Gordon, can we talk for a minute?
Okay.
We've been following a treasure map and it told us to come and find you.
Treasure map? A few days ago a treasure map just appeared in my engine shed. I have no time to follow it though. Here, you can have it. Now I can't be late with the express. So long.
What does this one say? To find the treasure, follow the sign that's made of wood, such as oak or pine. So we're looking for a wooden sign? I don't see anything. What about that? It's an arrow made of wood. That's got to be the sign. It's pointing this way. Come on, let's follow it. They followed the track for a while. Before meeting an obstacle. Oh no! How will we get through this? But then... Iron Man! Iron Man, please could you move these trucks? We need to go through this tunnel. Of course, stand back. Wow, thanks Iron Man. Always happy to help. So they bravely went through the tunnel and emerged at the search and rescue centre. What now? Ooh, there's another map. So they approached it. Congratulations, you're close to your prize. But there is one final surprise. Go and get a towel, I would advise, as at the bottom of the ocean your treasure lies. Oh no, how will we get that? I know, let's call Zuma. So Zuma soon arrived and he dived in. Everyone waited excitedly. Yes, well done! You got it! Well done everyone, you completed my treasure hunt. Your treasure hunt? Why yes, the contents of that treasure chest washed ashore a few days ago, so I thought that it would be fun to create a treasure hunt. Go on, see what you've won. There was a Kinder Egg inside. the pups opened it. A minion was inside. So Thomas and the pups had successfully completed Captain's treasure hunt. Hi, I'm Dave, and thanks for watching my video. Please check out these other videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon!